So in Excel there is this great tool that if we have a formula like d4 minus e4, we can drag it down real quick and have the same formula but for the new row 5 and row 6, and they are changing. But if we want to only change the second variable, so the second one would be a dynamic variable and the first one would be a static one, and we want to fix d4 and want to subtract 20, 86 and 45, then we have to put dollar signs in front of the d and in front of the 4. So the d is fixed, the column d, and the row 4 is fixed. And if we drag it down now, we get different results, and the $d, $4 is a static variable, same down here, and the second variable is changing when we skip through the column. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you. Have a great day.